After much hype and a delay, would Tesla have it any other way? Elon Musk unveiled the electric Tesla semi-truck at an event in Hawthorne, California. It's a bit different than anything else the electric automaker has done so far, but tackling the transport industry is crucial to Musk's master plan, specifically the part about expanding to cover the major forms of terrestrial transport. As stated earlier, the Tesla Semi uses electrification and automation technology to reduce costs and increase safety while still being fun to operate. First, let's go over some of the Tesla Semi's key details. Range: 500 miles at maximum weight at highway speed. Battery capacity: not disclosed. Powertrain: 4 electric motors, 2 at each axle behind the cab. Cargo capacity: 80,000 pounds. Drag coefficient: 0.36. Autonomous capability: highway autopilot, platooning capability. Infrastructure: megachargers to provide 400 miles of range in 30 minutes. Production begins 2019. Tesla began the presentation by rolling out 2 trucks on stage. Its looks are clean and seamless, as one would expect from Tesla. The first thing we noticed was its central driving position, which Musk says helps visibility.